Dave Hall here with Restore a Muscle Car, Lincoln, Nebraska. We have our 4 vehicles going to Barrett, Jackson. It's in West Palm Beach, Florida, 1st of April. We have a 91 GMC Jimmy, all restored, Desert Fox decal package, all new paint, wheels, tires, interior, you name it. It goes through early Friday afternoon, or actually early Friday, sometime around noon. We have this 1986, this is a K10 Chevy truck that's got, it's a 4x4, it's only got 23,000 actual miles. This thing is perfect. The bed is never been used. This thing runs and drives great. It came out of Nashville, Tennessee area. Super clean, unbelievable truck. It's gonna be really hard to let this one go. Also, we have this 6,000 mile 99 anniversary Trans Am, so 30th anniversary. This car's actual miles on the title, automatic, T-top, absolutely beautiful car. This car goes through also on Friday. And then our Saturday sale is this 1972 custom built Blazer. This thing is hugger orange. It's, the frame's been completely all disassembled, all new bushings, everything's been painted, all new, shocks, wheels, tires, brakes. It's an LS powered motor. It's got full custom TMI interior, Dakota digital gauges. It's got our custom double din dash with our vintage air vents that we designed. It also has our custom 17-inch steel wheels that we sell on our website. These are a steel wheel with cap clips, so you can put a factory center cap on these wheels with these brand new 35-inch tires. It's got a 4-inch lift on it, overdrive transmission, LED lighting, front to back. This truck has actually been one of my favorites for the last couple of years. It's going to be really hard to obviously see this one go. We just finished putting the new roll bar in it with the custom Bimini top. It also comes with a full soft top as well that will be available with the truck when you purchase it to put on it if you want. Otherwise, I actually drove it like this all the time, which is my favorite on a nice sunny day like we got today. So anyway, Barrett, Jackson, West Palm Beach, Florida. Restore a Muscle Car. Go to our website, restoreamusclecar.com, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Check out this video. All the details, all the high-res pictures of all these vehicles from top to bottom, inside and out. You can get all that information online on our website and barrettjackson.com. You can bid online or you can be there and bid in person. Thanks.